Hello guys and welcome to the channel TECHTAP. So, in today's video, we are going to show you how to configure and use System Restore Point in Windows 11. To configure System Restore Point, open up Control Panel, and here in Search field, type Recovery, and go to this first option. Here you will see three different options. Click on the Configure System Restore. Here you will see your system drives. I have only one C drive, so it's showing only C. And if you have other drive like D or E, so it will be shown here. So, click on it and select Configure. And at the top, select Turn on System Protection. After that you have to select maximum usage, which is in gigabyte. Usually 2 to 5 gigabytes is enough, depending upon your storage space. I'm going to go with the default value, and click on Apply. And then click on OK. And after, click here to create a System Restore Point and give it a name. I'm going to give it a name like Test. And click on Create. It will create a System Restore Point. And after that, click on Close. And now the Restore Point is created. Now let's say you install a program or someone made changes to your PC. So, in that case you want to restore that System Restore Point, and to do that click here on Open System Restore. Click on Next. It will show you the System Restore Point you just created. Or if your PC has created a System Restore Point automatically, click on the one you want. And you can also scan for affected programs present inside the Restore Point you selected. And then click on Next. And after that you can just click on Finish. And the system will restart and restore the System Restore Point. But make sure to create a password reset disk, in case you have changed your password Windows recently. And that's it. So I hope you like this video, and if you like the video, then like it. Also share your video ideas and suggestions in comments. Share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.